This unit plugged in. Plug. Brand new bulb is in there. Nothing. Alright, let's unplug it. But let's first make sure it's off. Unplug it. That shit dirty. So the light here, let me see your screwdriver. Let's close this.
All this fucking grease. Oh my god. Oh, I need to get
Bad boy dirty.
What inside?
Yeah.
Motherfuckers look cooking with that fucking grease.
So there goes the board. Here, I'll let you take that stuff out. Oh, that board dirty, boy.
Bro, wash it, man. That's weird for somebody.
All right, so we got the board out. This is what it looks like. So we're thinking it's going to be one of the tracks here. So we already see that this one is cracked, right? But let's say if this one wasn't cracked, how do we know which one do we need to replace?
We have to flip it, right?
To an extent. So we have the schematics here, right? So the issue was that the light underneath, the hood light, wasn't working. So this, one of these is going to be it. So how we confirm it, we get the schematics. Then we can already see that here goes the tracks right here. HF right here, tracks, right? So then we already know these are our relays. Our relays are right here. So if we look at this track right here, we can go up, follow it, and it goes to HF. So HF in our schematics will be HF. So it's hood, fan, motor. So that's not our issue. So let's look at this one. Track here, it goes up, HL. So you go back down to HL, hood, cooktop light. So this is the one we need. So it's going to be the left one. Obviously the one that's cracked, but let's say if it wasn't, at least you know it's going to be the left. Another way you can confirm is it has a number right here. 7919, 7915, but we know it's this one. So we're going to look for 7919 and we're going to confirm it with this one. So there's going to be a number here. Right there. 79, 79, 19. So that one. See? So this is the one that we're going to take out. So we're going to take off the screws here. These two screws, the one in the middle, these two, disconnect this. Disconnect this bad boy, and we're going to take this board off and we're going to replace this track. And this is what we're going to replace it with.
This one's a little.
So he's already taken off the screws. So all we're going to do is just melt the back here. We're just going to melt this. And that's the track right here that we're going to take off.
So melting it allows you to take that to remove.
So what we're going to do is just confirm that's the one. Right there. And yes, there's easier ways to do this.
Really? What?
Hold it. That piece. There you go. So now we got it out. So we're gonna clean up the board a little bit and then put the new one in. All right. So here goes the trick where the old one was at. Here goes the new one. As you can see here, you got two in the back, one in the middle. So we're gonna shape it that way. So the one in the middle, we're gonna probably come out like so. Grab here and just give it like a little 90, like that. Yeah, we might have to maneuver it here and there, but for the most part, that's how you want it to look. And then you're gonna stick it. This one probably needs to be cleaned up a little bit.
There's someone. Man, you leaving?
I've been gone for like 5 months.
I know. I've barely seen you.
But officially, yes.
Okay, so we got it in. So this is the new one. That's what it looks like in the back. Sticking out right there, so we'll just fold them over to where it needs to be. So now it's in there, right? It's right here. So all we're gonna do is start folding it to its place. And that's what we're gonna do. So like for example, I'm gonna hold it from the back, give me enough room back here, see? Then I'm just gonna fold it like that. And then this one's going
Are
to be
you folding it just for space, or does it have to be folded like a different direction, like that goes this way, that, or it doesn't matter?
It's going to the direction where the board is at.
Okay.
So you don't want this one, and you don't want this one to cross over to this one, and vice versa.
Got it.
So it's got to stay on its
Tracks?
path, I guess.
Okay,
So this one gets folded here, and then soldered there, and then if you want to cut whatever axis you can, and then so on and so on. Alright, so to start soldering, so my pieces are up here. Pieces are up here, so just start soldering, I guess.
Yours didn't come with those maybe because you didn't pay them. Those, you know how some of them come with the light?
Yeah, that's, those are the high-end kits. Or a little bit more expensive. So there you go. It's not the best, but it's gonna work.
Yeah.
So let me cut the video here, and then you'll see us when we install it.
Yeah, I got them bad too.
All right, so we're in the apartment now. So the good thing with these, I would recommend take a picture of these two where they go up here. But all these mullet plugs here, they only fit one size, so if you gotta force it in there, obviously it's not the right one. See, these are all different sizes.
Okay, so
So he's
is it going the wrong way or the right way? This way?
finishing
No,
up there.
this way.
So I would say if you got like greasy, the microwave is dirty. These are what we use. The Viper wipes. I know you can pretty much use whatever you want to use, but this is what we use here. This one's already gone. So we just got the new one right here. These are awesome wipes right here. Refrigeration technology wipes right here. Made in the USA. Amen. There you go. So you want some awesome wipes right here. This is your pick right here. So he's just wrapping up right now. Then you're putting in the last wire. It says in our apartment. So this is, they're getting it ready. So I guess when they tried the microwave, the light wasn't working, so they already replaced the bulb. Just leave it like that, and then just plug it in up here, just in case if something went wrong. All right, so he's gonna hit the light button right there, and then we'll see if this bad boy turns on.
All right.
Moment of truth. Bang.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
All right, so instead of paying, what, $185, $200, or replace the whole microwave, there you go. You can do it for a lot cheaper. $7-10 right there. Just buy a whole bunch of those trucks, and there you go. You can save your property some money. I would recommend look at the schematics for sure. Know which truck it is. So GE, Whirlpool. This is a Whirlpool, right? They're all gonna pretty much Trek. So that's all it is. Just find which one it is, and bam, because you're gonna have two Treks, one for the motor, one for the light. Once you track it down, it should be easy peasy. Just work on your soldering skills. Mine's, it doesn't look the prettiest. Yes, I don't have all the fancy soldering equipment, but it works. But other than that, thank you for watching. God bless. Be safe. Patrick, got anything to say? Get off the damn phone. All right, peace out, y'all.